We have reviewed every SteelSeries headset here on the channel over the past year that was worth covering, and now going into 2021, we have the cheapest Bluetooth headset that SteelSeries offers, coming in at under $100. The 2019 Arctis 3 is a wired gaming headset that doubles as a Bluetooth headset whenever you need to step away and use this with your phone or your tablet. Isn't it funny how sometimes the cheapest headsets that manufacturers give us provide the most value? I mean, this is the cheapest Bluetooth headset that SteelSeries offers, while still giving us the same features and functionality that we're used to with the rest of their lineup. It is super identical to the Arctis 5 when it comes to its style, aside from not sporting any RGB lighting. You get that same one-piece ski goggle type headband that's made from plastic, along with its large ear cups and minimalist design. In the box, you get the Arctis 3 with a 8-pin USB to 1/8 TRRS audio cable. You also get a PCY splitter and a USB to micro USB charging cable. It is just as comfortable as the other models. That padding is super soft and plush. It sits very well in those longer gaming sessions thanks to its weight coming in at just under 0.7 pounds with minimal clamping force for its fit. Now, if you do have a head that's rather large, it may initially feel a bit tight when you first try them on, but for me, they've always loosened up and felt awesome. Breathability is the same as the other models, with that initial break-in period for some they aren't exactly the best in terms of letting in airflow. For 90% of you out there, these will be just fine. Your control setup is as easy as ever to use. You have your power button and your pairing button to play and pause your music and connect calls, whether you choose to use them as a wired headset or kick in its Bluetooth functionality that was surprisingly easy to connect. You can double tap the button to skip tracks, but you can't go backwards. You do also have a volume wheel and a mic mute button on the left ear cup. It's super easy to use. Just note that the volume wheel only works when the headset is wired. The build quality is also the same as the Arctis 5. There's room to move, but the headband is made from plastic. I've noticed it isn't as durable as the Arctis 9 or the Arctis Pro Wireless, but you will notice that the ear cups are roughly the same as both of those models. You get that same retractable microphone that you see in present day models. I mean, what isn't broke doesn't really need to be fixed. For portability, they don't fold, but its sleek stealth design is one of the best gaming headsets to take with you on the go and not have you look like a total idiot when you're wearing them in public. Getting into audio quality, the mids, highs, and lows are still awesome, along with its treble accuracy. For me, just like the other models, it doesn't pack enough bass to satisfy my needs, but at this price point, I'm not complaining, especially with it offering Bluetooth capability. Now, just like the Arctis Pro Wireless, the noise isolation with this headset isn't the best. I mean, you can hear yourself talking, you can hear what's going on around you. It doesn't have active noise cancellation, so if you plan on taking it out and about with you, just note that you will hear pretty much everything that is going on around you. They are compatible with your PC, PS4, and PS5 through a wired connection. They don't have any app support or a transmitter to give you a wireless gaming experience. But for $100 and the comfort it offers along with its Bluetooth capabilities, I'm definitely not complaining. When you get into gaming, you get a somewhat similar experience with the Arctis 1 and the Arctis 5, but I would say the Arctis 5 is better for gaming since it gives you a ton of customization in the SteelSeries Engine 3 software, which you unfortunately don't get with this model. Now, another dope feature is the battery life on this headset is 40+ hours when you plan on using it to listen to music and watch movies. At the same time, if the battery is dead, you can also use it as a wired connection, which still is a fantastic feature, which is overlooked slightly by most gaming headsets. But I know you're probably wondering, how does the microphone quality sound? Let's go find out. All right, guys, so now we're up here in the game room. For those of you that have never been here before and are new to the channel, this is where I like testing out all the microphones on the gaming headsets, the USB microphones, and so on. Currently, I'm talking to you guys on the Rode NT1 Studio microphone. Let's go ahead and switch over to the SteelSeries Arctis 3 so you guys can see what that one sounds like in comparison. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the SteelSeries Arctis 3 gaming headset. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, and only if you end up liking this video, please make sure you smash that like button for me. Now let's go ahead and compare the microphone quality on this headset versus the Corsair Virtuoso, which, if you don't know, has the best microphone out of any gaming headset that I've ever tested, and the HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless. Both of those come in at around 150, 160 bucks right now, so about $50 or $60 more expensive than the SteelSeries Arctis 3. Let's see how they stack up. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the SteelSeries Arctis 3 gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like with the Corsair Virtuoso gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like with the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the SteelSeries Arctis 3 gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like with the Corsair Virtuoso gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like with the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless gaming headset. Now, if you guys are wondering, the Corsair Virtuoso comes in at around the same price as the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless. In my opinion, this is probably the best headset you can pick up for the money right now. I've tested it with pretty much every console. I've tested it with everything. It's still one of my favorite headsets to use. I use it on a daily basis. If you guys missed it, I did a top 5 gaming headsets for 2021 and for your next gen console. I will make sure to leave that link down below for you guys so you can watch that video. I've reviewed pretty much every headset on this channel, and this one still seems to be in my top 3, if not my favorite. So keep that in the back of your mind. For 150, 160 bucks, you really can't get better than this headset. Also, it doubles as the perfect headset for streaming because the microphone quality is just as good as a USB microphone. So if you're kind of in a pinch and don't have a lot of money, I'd recommend you pick up this headset if you plan on starting streaming instead of picking up this and a separate USB microphone. If you just want one, this is going to be the headset for you, especially if you're just starting out. Now, just to continue on comfort for a little bit, obviously we've tested out pretty much every gaming headset here on the channel over the past year, and I can tell you with confidence that if you were to take someone and blindfold them and put each different SteelSeries headset on them to wear and test out, they would not be able to tell the difference between any one of the models. They're that good and they're that comfortable. Another thing that I absolutely love about this headset is even though it is wireless, obviously when you're using Bluetooth, and wired when you're gaming, it gives you plenty of length for the cord. The attachment gives you a ton of room to play with. Obviously, don't strangle yourself. Don't cut off your circulation. Don't tangle yourself around your chair 3 times when you're raging in Call of Duty Warzone. The cable is perfect. And then again, if you want to, you can go ahead and just disconnect it, and you can go ahead and plug it directly into your controller, which makes it a perfect combination for those of you guys that need a bit more of length in terms of how you plan on setting up your studio or whatever you plan on using with this headset. Obviously, that's, you know, everyone's got their own thing going on. Now, another test I always like doing for you guys up here in the game room is to see how much keyboard clicking this headset picks up. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're about 1.5 feet away from the keyboard. It doesn't seem to be picking up that much keyboard clicking. Obviously, it picks up more when I start talking because that's when my noise gate opens up. But just like the other SteelSeries headsets, it really doesn't pick up that much keyboard clicking. Obviously, it's not as good as the Razer Black Shark. Those are absolutely insane. They block out a lot of outside noise. But yeah, that's how much keyboard clicking this headset picks up, and that's what the microphone quality sounds like with the SteelSeries Arctis 3. Here's how good the Arctis 3 is. It's 2021, and I myself would still consider picking this headset up just for the simple fact I can use it for gaming and have it double as a Bluetooth headset. Where else can you get something that's this comfortable for that $100 price tag with those features? It's going to be tough. For $50 more, you get a wireless gaming experience with the Arctis 7P and 7X with slightly better lossless wireless technology thanks to the 2.4 GHz receivers. You also have the Arctis One wireless, which also comes in at that same $100 price tag, but doesn't support Bluetooth technology. Now, it does have a USB Type-C dongle, letting you connect it to your phone or your tablet. At the same time, you can use the Arctis One for wireless gaming, whereas with this headset, it is wired. So the Arctis One may be a better option for most, plus it's newer, so it's just going to come down to your personal needs. Both are fantastic options, and I will make sure to also leave the Arctis One wireless review link down below for you guys as well. Now, if you would like to pick up the Arctis 3 or any of the other headsets that we compared it to in this video, I will make sure to have everything linked down below for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that like button for me and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next episode. Peace.